got it. Yeah, make you smile, y'all.
That's a new experience. Yeah, we'll go in there in just a minute.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Is this council people or
For you.
Oh, it's nice and cool in here.
Maybe we'll look at it.
We got.
Are we ready?
Yes.
Thank you. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Department 408. Here on the matter of Cavanaugh Skywalker Bow. And for the parents, would you please state your appearance for the record?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Diane Reyes on behalf of the Bows. They are present, seated before the court. Also present in the courtroom are future grandparents and the county social worker. And I don't know the photographer, but a family friend.
Thank you. Good morning and welcome. Mr. and Mrs. Bowe, if you would remain seated, but please raise your right hand to be sworn by the clerk.
You and each of you do solemnly state that the testimony you may give, cause now pending before this court, shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, we do.
Would you each please state and spell your names for the record?
Whitney K. Bowe, W-H-I-T-N-E-Y, K-A-Y-B-O-E.
And Stephen Curtis Bowe, which is S-T-E-V-E-N-C-U-R-T-I-S-B-O-E.
Mr. Reyes, you're in possession of the adoption agreement form.
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
Would you please present that to Mr. and Mrs. Bowe and ask them to sign the document in my presence explaining to them and for the record what they are doing and what they're signing.
Today, we are here for the adoption of Cavanaugh. If you are ready to adopt him, you would have to agree in front of this judge to treat him as your own natural child, to give him the rights of inheritance, to be responsible for his health, education, and welfare, and to agree with the state of California and each other to adopt him. Are you ready to do that today?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
If you could please signify your agreement to adopt Cavanaugh by signing and dating next to your name.
Ms. Reyes, tissue.
Oh, she has them in her hand.
I'm ready.
Oh, yes, there's a hole in there, I see. Thank you. Your Honor, may I approach with the signed adoption agreement?
Yes, you may. And for the record, Mr. and Mrs. Bowe, you each agree that you will agree to each other adopting the child together. Is that right?
Oh, yes.
Recorded in receipt of the adoption agreement form signed by Mr. and Mrs. Bowe, in which they agree with the state of California and the child that the child shall be adopted and treated in all respects as their own lawful child. Witness them signing the document in my presence, and will execute the document at this time. Would you like the court to submit the matter to the court?
Yes, please, Your Honor, and I'd ask the court to take judicial notice of the adoption file.
The court will take judicial notice of the file and its contents, including the accounting report from the Department of Children and Family Services. And the matter is submitted, and we'll make the following findings. The petition is hereby granted. and the child is adopted by petitioners Mr. and Mrs. Bowe, and shall be in the custody of the petitioners and shall be regarded and treated in all respects as their own lawful child. They shall sustain towards the child and the child towards them the legal relationship of parent and child, and each respectively shall have all the rights and be subject to all the duties of a natural parent and child. And the child's name shall henceforth be Cavanaugh Skywalker Bowe. Love that. I have signed the adoption order and the certificate of family membership, which I will present to you, which states, pursuant to the authority vested in me by the state of California, it is now hereby declared, adjudged, and ordered that Cavanaugh Skywalker Bowe is declared to be the child of Stephen Curtis Bowe and Whitney K. Bowe. It is further declared to be that said child is a member of the Bowe family, with all the rights and responsibilities attached thereto, by order of this court, this 9th day of July, 2013, in the county of Los Angeles, state of California. Congratulations.
Usually we can take a picture with the judge. Would you want to?
Yes, we would love that. We'd love that.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. All right, best of luck, everybody.
Thank you.
Take care. Take care, everybody. Looks great.
Rose here.
So glad everybody was in your house. It's so great.
I know it's.
He's our baby! He's the baby!
You getting tired now?
Woo! It's over. Oh! The last, Whitney. Do it again. The last. I don't know. Don't pressure me. Don't pressure me. I'm not ready.
I'll call you if I get an infant little girl. How about that?
The last time we had a bunch of pictures taken was when
You want to sit?
we have to walk through down.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
No, please. Not.